Cooking in my kitchen has become the glue that has kept our family strong throughout the years. These aren't my words, these are the words of Kris Jenner. This is In the Kitchen with Kris. We're actually gonna make Nicole's chicken nachos. Her chicken nachos were fabulous. They had a cult following. Back in the day, nobody in our circle would even think about throwing a party without serving Nicole's chicken nachos. So we're gonna make some nachos. We've got sour cream, simple store-bought salsa, cooked chicken breast, pickled jalapenos. So we've got mozzarella and cheddar. She calls her sliced olives, so I'm actually gonna take what's called a knife, which is this utensil right here, and cut these later on. Now, amazingly, these are fresh tomatoes she's called for. Just in sort of a classic half-inch dice. I'm thinking that's what she's going for. She doesn't really define what dice is. Cilantro, which is optional in this recipe because I think she's probably got a number of kids that begin with the letter K who don't like cilantro. I'm gonna use the stems of the cilantro as well because I think they're really full of flavor. Garnish usually comes afterwards, but I didn't edit this book. That's gonna go in there with the tomatoes. And now we're gonna slice our scallions. Probably the maid or the help would be doing this. If you're ever gonna memorialize somebody who was brutally murdered, I think it's through their nachos. So it's a good way to remember friends and family. She's got a very interesting system on this. She's layering chips, then she's cheesing, and then she's going in the oven, then they're coming out halfway. It's kind of a brilliant breakthrough in nacho technology. Then we are going to, in the meantime, slice our olives, and the other glove is in the driveway. We're gonna put our olives into there and hold them for the next step of Operation Nacho. Our initial melt of our cheese is happening. We're close. Okay, we're gonna shred our chicken. So just sort of tearing it off. I'm kind of reading into her shredding method. I think this is how she would do it. Oh, yeah. Oh, we've nailed it. This is probably the most complex part of this recipe, was this initial melt of the cheese. We're gonna go through and intermingle our seasoned tomatoes. They've got a little cilantro and a little bit of scallion. And then we're gonna get through with North's favorite pickled jalapenos and then black olives. Some of our chicken intermingled in there. This is the most assimilated melting pot version of nachos really that's ever been created. Those Mexican cheeses. I just dropped a little bit on the floor for my homies. So into the oven we go. And then we're gonna be serving it very simply with our sour cream and our salsa. So let's wait. Well, time's up. Let's go check on Nicole's chicken nachos. Put them in the oven. They look, Alex Stupak will be really happy. It's not high cooking. It's not extremely lowbrow cooking. It's really not even cooking. I'm not sure if memories should live just in chicken nachos, because this is relatively non-memorable. Okay, well, I'm Hugh Acheson. I'm gonna go find my other glove. I'm gonna make sure I get all attributes on it in my tasting, just like I would on some dorky television show. Oh, no, I lost my olive. Hold on, I have culinary tweezers right here. Okay, and then a little bit of salsa. It's food